Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Thanks for tuning in. This is video number 2768 coming at you on a Sunday night for trading Sunday through Monday, I almost said January, July 1st, 2024. So we're in July. And before I get started, let's go back a couple of days. Traders, talk about dedication. Thursday night into Friday morning, 4:30, 5 in the morning, I wake up, watered mouth, oh no, run to the bathroom, literally start projectile vomiting. Vomiting, heaving. I hear the alerts going off, bam, 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 bam. I'm like, oh no, what do? I am literally heaving at this moment. I wipe myself, I stop, I run inside, I send a flash update. Quick, get into the YM, the mini Dow at market. Right after I type and hit send, I literally have to run back to the bathroom, start throwing up again, heaving. I hear the alert go off 5 minutes later. Bam, 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 bam. I'm like, oh, please. I run back into the office. It's time to get out. We're up 350 points in the YM. I type, please get out at market. Gotta go. Right back into the bathroom I went. I kid you not. I put out a flash update in between dry heave sessions. I was dying on Friday morning, and I still put that flash update out for you cats anyway. And whoever caught it, congratulations on you. Just letting you know my dedication to this craft, kids. So, back to work. Video number 2768 for trading Sunday night through Monday. And of course, that's July 1st, 2024. Please remember how risky trading is. Risky, 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 risky. Never trade without putting in your protective stops first. It'll help you in this business, I promise. You're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average, the DJI, the big market, the market, right? The stock market, Dow Jones Industrial. It is literally in the middle of nowhere right now. It is in the middle of nowhere. It's like floating in an island. It's not at resistance. It's not by support. It's just in the middle of nowhere. And probably it will just hop around a little bit. This is a holiday week. It's probably just going to jerk around a little bit. We do not have a specific signal, maybe a little bullish, maybe a little bearish. The signals are diversified for Sunday night, but possibly pointing towards the upside. We'll see. But there's something else I want to remind you about. This is July 1st, right? We've got to watch out for this. Holiday reversals. Holiday reversals are expected on such a major holiday like the one we're about to go to, July 4th. I promise you this country goes in every direction except for to the trading desks this week. Everybody goes home to see mom, have barbecues in the back, go to their shore houses, wherever they are. You know, some of them go up into the Pocono Mountains, some of them go up to other mountains, some of them go down to the Jersey Shore. Of course, they're out in the Hamptons. You know, California does their thing. Big holiday, Americans leaving to go visit and have a great time. That's the holidays that you expect holiday reversals. So caution, please, this week. Holiday reversals are expected. The holidays in the middle of the week, so it's going to happen quickly. I believe it already started on Friday with Apple. Monday up, Tuesday up, Wednesday up, Thursday up, Friday right before the holiday week starts, big reversal down bar. That, my friends, is a holiday reversal before your eyes. Be cautious of that happening. Simple. What's a holiday reversal? Well, if you look inside of this right here, let me grab a little rectangle if I can find one. If you look inside of here, inside this rectangle, we were basically going up. Let me just make that a little thicker and a little bigger. You can get my point in just a moment. Inside this rectangle, we were basically going up just about every single day, right? Inside that rectangle. Up, 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 up. And suddenly, we get near the holiday week, and look what's starting to happen. Now, being that it's not a Friday holiday, you don't have to, the reversal doesn't start and then catch up towards the end of the week. It happens right away. I believe we started already on Friday in Apple. So just be cautious of that. Traders, make sure you subscribe to my Platinum service. That's where I give out those recommendations, and I kid you not, ask anybody. I am there. 24 hours a day, I am sending out those flash updates, and here's why. My Omniacs need sleep, And I tell them, you can sleep. Don't worry about it. Just keep your speakers cranked on anything near you that you can hear. When we're going to trade, I'm going to send you a flash update. It's going to make a whole lot of noise. You're going to hear it. Rub your eyes. Put the trade in. Go back to sleep. I am on the watch out tower. I'm up on top of that lookout tower, awake, watching the trades for us at night. So don't worry about staying up at night to catch my trades. Just make sure that you can hear the alert and wake up and put the trades on. We've had a fantastic year so far. We had a great April, a great May, and a June doing well, or we're done with June now. June did well for our recommendations as well. Make sure you join. Very simple. It's livewithoscar.com. It's so cheap, I'm embarrassed to say, but it is less than a cup of coffee each day to have me in your corner. I know it's embarrassing, but it is what it is. I try to help everyone I can. So make sure you join. I'll help you to the best of my ability. Come to livewithoscar.com and click the upgrade button. If I have a site that's easy to grab, I'll show you. If not, I won't bother wasting your time. All right, so we are here. You can simply just go to livewithoscar.com and click the upgrade button, and you can join my platinum service just like that. If you have any trouble, of course, you would go to livewithoscar.com, contact me there, or even easier, here's a great thing to do. Dano at livewithoscar.com. Dano will help you with anything, especially setting up a membership, moving your membership around, anything that you need to do. Dano at livewithoscar.com will get you set up and get you directed to me into my live trading room. All right, traders, that's about it. Let's get ready for the crazy week. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com. Make sure that you like these videos, share them, absolutely join my platinum recommendations so I can send you those signals, and then keep your emotions out of trading. How do we do that? You should know this by now. Say this to yourselves over and over again, especially if you're in a bad trade. Are you with me? Say it with me, kids. 1, 2, 3. Stop, sir. Emotions are rock and roll, traders. That is absolutely truth. Put those stops in first. Join my platinum recommendations, and I will see you all at live.